This is your host, Noor Ali, right tools for right job. So second choice, which I selected was a Lenovo ThinkPad. I think it's a Surface Book some kind. But once I upload the drivers and the operating system, I'll find out. So if you go into the main, this is the main section of the BIOS. I've been doing some BIOS work or BIOS slide set, right? So this is hands-on BIOS work, right? So you have your main, you have your UEFI BIOS version, you have UEFI BIOS update year to month, okay? Embedded controller version is going to be right here. You have ME firmware version. So everything that you want to know is to your, right here. Wait, there you go. It's right there. Okay, to your right, or to your left. To your right will be the numbers. This is what the laptop has. One more second. Right there. Okay. We have asset tag. We have CPU types, CPU speed. We have installed memory. We have MAC address. Now, anytime in the network world, Network Plus, Security Plus, and New A Plus, they talk about MAC address. There you have it right there, okay? Don't say that I never mentioned to you before. There you have it, okay? So this is where the meat and gravy, buckets of bowls of BIOS you will find right here. Now, make sure you go, this is your startup, right? So your network boot, if you want to boot out of the network, your legacy boot is turned off right now. Anything that's grayed out, it means turned off. Your quick boot, this is called quick boot, operating display. And if you come in here, oh, wow. What a pick, man. What a pick. I picked up a good one. Nice. I think this is going to be a keeper if I get my Windows 11 working on it, right? Hoorah! Hoorah! Hoorah to me. Right on, brothers, sisters out there. Anyway. So this is where the desktop tech, the field engineers, the installers, and mostly in a depot work, bench tech, in IT, mess around with, or desktop engineering. Let me say desktop engineering, my friends. All right, we're gonna go to tab. No. Okay. All right. Config. Okay. This is config. See, this section is config. So if you go into config, you're going to get, there you go, better. You're going to get network. So if you click network, you're going to be network. You're going to be USB, keyboard, and mouse. So if you hit network, well, let's see if I get into network. There you go. All right, so here's all the network, okay? So currently it's selected on IPv4 first. If IPv4 is not there, it says wireless auto detection is off or on. It's on. So if the Wi-Fi is clicking in the house, it's going to pick it up. Boom, right? But AC WAC on LAN is on, and WAC on LAN from dock is on also. What that means, anybody in the network can log into the laptop if they have the right information, basically, okay? Keep that in mind. Oh, I don't want the video to go too long. I'm going to cover section by sections as time permits. This is going to be the hands-on laptop for now. You know, in many job interviews, they ask you, what do you do on the spare time? Well, guess what? I got a YouTube channel. Woohoo! And guess what? I have my own lab. I got my own laptops, right? So that, I aced it, right? Anyway, so let's see what happens. I will cover most of the sections as time permits. Okay, so we have USB, keyboard, display, beep and alarm, CPU, Thunderbolt, and step up UI, graphical, it says over here, right? So all I'm waiting for this bad boy now, my puppy, it's gonna be my puppy, uh, um, is the SSD internal hard drive. And I think I'm happy so far. Now let's cross our finger, knock on wood, that I'm able to put Windows. I'm a Windows guy. I messed around with Linux quite a lot and other operating system in the work environments, in the data centers, command centers, and whatnot. But I am through and through Windows guy. I like Linux. I support Linux, but hey, each to his own, right? Anyway, I'm grateful to all my audience. I'm grateful to all my subscribers, all my viewers. Thumbs up for all the good comments. Thumbs up for all the likes and the shares. It means a lot to me. I mean, really. My motto is share, teach, educate, learn, and grow. Don't hoard on information, because technology is moving very fast, very quickly. Remember that, okay? This is your host, Noor Ali, right tools for right job. So in time, I'm going to do this. Woohoo! This is right here. Look at that. Wow. Then I'm going to do this. Woohoo! This is right here. Woo! Oh, man. I feel like Gandalf. Oh, you know what a Gandalf is, right? It's a character from the magical movie. No. Yeah, well, Gandalf was a white wizard, not a black hat, not a sorceress. The other guy, Sauron, was a black wizard or a sorceress. Anyway, so this is power. Hey, this is cute. Cute. What a word. Did we look at the power? Okay, we did. Okay. Sleep time, it says Windows 10 on it. Oh, look. You can do Linux and you can do 10. Okay. All right. Beep alarms. Oh, it's on. This is off. We are not using password. It's keyboard beeps only. Okay. CPU. Intel Hyper-Thread technology is on. Okay. This is on. All right. All right. Here's your Thunderbolt stuff right there. All right. And then let's see. Graphical is on. So when you get done with this, let's go into oh, wow, this is security. In security, you're going to get a password, fingerprint, security chip, BIOS update option, memory protection, virtualization, IO port access, inter-device access, obsolete persistent module, secure boot, Intel GX, device guard, and ThinkShield secure wipe. Woohoo! This is I call it a badass, but excuse my French, but it's much better than my older Dell that I had. Cross my finger, knock on wood, if I am able to make this puppy work with Windows 11, I don't have to buy another laptop for another 4 or 5 years. I'll be happy. Anyway, so we'll continue this journey. This became a 10-minute video. It's not a short anymore, it's a video, my friends. Anyway, it's a clean laptop. My cost is a power supply, a power adapter, and it's going to be a cost for only the internal SSD drive, which I can afford. Didn't have to put too much money in it, but we will see. Okay, we will see. So far, so good. Cross the fingers, knock on wood. All my hosts, I'm your host, Noor Ali, right tools for right job. Till next time, we will explore more stuff. My shorts, my video is to the core of information technology, desktop engineering, help desk, security, A+, server plus, network plus, other OEM stuff, and especially SOC, okay, command center, security information center, and other stuff that I cover time to time on my video YouTube channel. Okay, I'm a hardcore IT guy for 30 years. God bless me. And I gotta stay in it for another 10 till I die. Who knows? All right. Thank you very much. God bless you all. See you next time.